Panalo na sana mga idol, pero natalo pa. Kaya na-shock si Commissioner Kenneth Durandis sa laban ng Jinsan Warriors at Zamboanga sikat Family Saudis. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin kung ano ang nangyari sa dulo ng laban. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
He went there untouched.
Sumang can't answer. Salim the rebound and got pushed. Both teams not yet in penalty.
Corner side, ball side. And then somebody's gonna weak side it. There you go.
Abdul Sawat. Ooh, no foul. Salim inside. Abdul Sawat hits the deck.
That was a bad fall.
Foul on number 21.
Two free throws coming up for Med Salim. This is a tall lineup for Zamboanga. Med Salim, Carl Brian Cruz, Gino Mosqueda, Jason Credo, and Abdul Sawat.
In my opinion, what worked earlier for Zamboanga, if I recall correctly, was JP Kawilan being inside. And he was matched up earlier.
We have a coach's challenge from Jensen. We'll be back for the result.
I have to remember in that game against Pangasinan, he was the guy who made those crucial threes.
Gino Mosqueda against Nico Elorde. Credo puts it on the deck. Can't finish. Gonzalez the rebound.
He got forced to that weak hand. Didn't have control going to the paint.
Elorde will use some time here. Nico Elorde turns the corner. Bola na tapik. Apreco recovers. Gonzalez. The jumper is good.
Crucial baskets by Gonzalez. That's 6 in the game for Gonzalez. And boy, the timeliness of those makes from him.
GBC can connect from free. 66 seconds remaining. Jensen holding on to this 3-point lead. Zamboanga only 3 points here in the fourth quarter.
They're gonna need a stop here.
Nico to Felix. Eloitan, 6 seconds left.
Oh, wow.
Ball stolen away by Kawilan. What a pass! Abdul Sawat is away on the other side.
As much as we harped about a really good play so far of Eloy Tan, that was not the best pass available right there. First, you don't have that good angle for Flex Apreco. Even if he catches, he's not going to do anything about it so much.
Nico Elorde laban kay JP Kawilan. Nico Elorde. Vintes.
Final shot of the quarter here, of the game.
In regulation.
In regulation, that's right.
12 seconds left. Abdul Sawat to Credo. Credo off the bounce. The pass to Mosqueda for free. It's good! What a pass and what a shot delivered by Gino Mosqueda.
Kailangan natin naka-jam tayo palagi sa 3 points para pumasok sila sa 2 points. Okay, gold na tayo lahat. Gold na, gold tip na yan. Gold tayo. Tayo ang 5. Sino ba isa? Oo. Okay. Aggressive tayo, konti na tayo ha. Gold. Guys, tingnan ninyo. Ang mangyayari niyan is magbabackpick yan. So nagbabackpick yan, switch na kayo. Pero guys, quick 2 yan ha, baka may quick 2. So mag-switch kayo. Just in case, quick 2. Avoid lang nating lapitan masyado dahil favor talaga. Bobby!
Alright, 3.6 seconds left. Jensen with a basketball down by 2, Coach Mike.
Yeah, pretty clearly, they were talking about defensive coverage. They said, and Coach Hega was very clear about this, if there is a back pick, it's going to be a switch. So you have to be very aware of, a quick pick and pop situation. Matter of fact, I won't be surprised if there's going to be a dive on the weak side.
Great timeout by Zamboanga. Seeing the set, they still have 2 more timeouts. And we'll listen in again to the huddles of Jensen and Zamboanga.
Tingnan niyo, baka mamaya may handog. Pero tignan ninyo, baka biglang mapa-elevator dito. Switch! Ito si Rodriguez. Baka mamaya biglang bigyan doon, ha? Pag gumanong, si Cleo, alam ba mo yan? Ikaw ang excited mo. Ako si Embarner. Listen. Liga. Sino yung lima? Gini. Isang sakripisyo na ito, guys.
Man, you see, immediately they understood there is going to be a possible high-low involving Larry Rodriguez, but they also do not discount the possibility of an elevator on the setup of the Gensan Warriors, and this back and forth just keeps changing between these two, and you love the chess match, especially in the closing part of this game.
All right, we pause for a break. We'll be back. Now the Warriors will execute on this last play.
Three three-point shooters on the floor for Gensan. We'll see.
Mark Cruz. Larry Rodriguez for free. What a play drawn up by Coach Elvis Tolentino.
We'll talk about misdirection. The trust on Larry Rodriguez to get him to where he's best at shooting the three.
Dito muna. Okay, nag-move. Ikaw naman, kung si Chino, move ka, di ba? Papunta kang corner. Ngayon, ito, magpipit, papunta doon. Kaya lang, isisil natin, bigay natin kay Brian.
Well, the way it looks, Ken, they might be looking at penalty situation here. If my understanding is correct, they will go try and look for Brian on the seal underneath. They might set up Carl Brian Cruz in the middle of the floor for that receive. That close, they will trust that he makes that shot.
Let's see here, 1.9 seconds left. Both teams, no more timeouts.
Which is going to be key here. Cross matches, that would probably result into advantage underneath for Carl Brian Cruz.